pleasant good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. In the previous class, we have discussed direct and indirect speech basing on the assertive sentence. Today in our class, we are going to discuss second type of sentence, that is interrogative sentences. Just once we recall what we discussed in the previous class. Because this grammar is very important, this topic is very important. That's why I am revising one more time. So here first we have to know what is direct speech. Direct speech is a speech which is used to convey the message what the speaker said as it is without any changes. What the speaker said, we conveying the message, same message without any change, using the same words, exact words of the speaker. That is direct speech. When we are using direct speech, the main message will be in the inverted commas, in quotation marks. And next, coming to the indirect speech. Indirect speech is speech which tells you what someone said but doesn't use the person's actual words. Here we are changing. There will be some changes within the inverted comma. The sentence which is within the inverted commas, there will be some changes. Let me see how will be direct speech. Direct speech is having two parts. The first part, the main part is in the quotation mark. Children, noise is coming. Please mute yourself. Mute చేసుకోండి. నన్ను మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. మీ పేరెంట్స్ మాటలు వినిపిస్తున్నాయి. మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. Yes. So here in direct speech there will be two parts. The main part, the main message will be within inverted commas. That part we call as reported speech. And outside the, without the inverted commas, that part is called reporting speech. The reporting speech, reported speech. The verb used in the reporting speech is reporting verb. So the reporting speech and reported speech is separated by using comma. Comma ఈ two sentences ని separate చేస్తుంది. So when we are changing from direct speech to indirect speech, we have to remove this comma. In this place we have to use connector to join the two sentences. But connector is different basing on the type of the sentence within the quotation. So in the previous class we discussed assertive sentence. So for that assertive sentence, that is the connector we use it to join reporting speech and reported speech. So here the main point is reporting speech, reported speech and reporting verb. And when we change to indirect speech, the first change we are doing removing inverted commas, no inverted commas. And next comma, which is separating reporting verb and reported speech, we are replacing comma with connectors basing on the type of the sentence. And next reporting verb will be changed basing on the type of the sentence. If it is the question, we are saying that if it's the statement, we are saying said or told. So basing on the sentence, we are changing the reporting verb without the inverted commas. And next reporting verb changes according to the sense conveyed by the speech. Next tense. All kinds of sentences turn into assertive sentence. Within the quotation, it may be question, it may be request, it may be order, it may be statement, whatever it may be. All sentences change to assertive. All sentences change to assertive sentence. And next to the last point, there will be a few changes in time, place, and next tense and in adverb. See here, these are the examples we have already discussed in the previous class. The difference in the reporting verb and difference in the connectors. Basing on the type of the sentence, basing on the speaker's words, reporting verb will be changed, and basing on the sentence, type of the sentence, connector will be changed. So here, once again repeat, the four kinds of the sentences are, what is the first one? Assertive sentence. Unmute and tell the answer. What is the first type of the sentence?
Assertive sentence.
Assertive sentence. Yes, assertive sentence. Second type is?
Imperative
Interrogative sentence.
Third type is?
Interrogative sentence.
Interrogative. Fourth one is?
Exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory. Yes. In the previous class we discussed assertive sentence. Now we are going to discuss interrogative sentence. Interrogative means, see here once, interrogative sentence means a sentence in which a question is asked. All type of questions. Yes, children? Any doubt? See, all type of questions comes under interrogative sentence. See here, interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. So all type of questions comes under interrogative. And next it ends with question mark. All questions ends with question mark. All type of interrogative sentences ends with question mark. And indirect question ends with a period. Period means here full stop. If when we change question from direct speech to indirect speech, then no need to use of question mark. Very, very important point. When we change question from direct to indirect speech, to use of question mark. In place of question mark, instead of question mark, we have to use full stop. Full stop. And next, see here in interrogative sentence, there are 4 types of interrogative sentences. The first type is double H form questions. Second type is yes or no questions, alternative questions, and tag questions. Now you forget about these two. Today we are going to discuss only 2 types, double H form questions and yes or no type questions. Is it clear, children? What is interrogative sentence? See here a few examples for interrogative sentence. In that, first one is yes or no type question. Yes or no type question starts with helping verb. See, have you observed the starting words do, did, have, or, is? These are all
Exclamative. Yes or no question.
The question which starts with helping verb comes under yes or no type. So for this answer also just yes or no. Do you have to go to work? Yes or no? Do you do that? Have you got the message? Yes or no? So for these questions we are getting only yes or no type answers. So we call it as yes or no type questions. All yes or no type questions are start with helping verbs. Helping verbs. Helping verbs are started in question mark to end అయితే, those are yes or no type questions. And next second type is double H form questions. Double H form questions starts with double H words, question words, and ends with question mark. For these questions, we have to say answer in a full sentence. What are you doing? Children, what are you doing now?
Class listening.
We are listening class.
We are listening to English grammar class. So here you have to, there is no chance to say answer yes or no. Here we have to say full answer. So 2 types of sentence questions. One is yes or no type question. Second one is double H form questions. Here yes or no questions are framed using helping verbs. See, these are all questions using yes or no type, using helping verbs. See, am I smiling? Is he smiling? Are they smiling? Here answer is yes or no. And using do, does. Do I know you? Do we know? Do they know? Does he know? Does she know? And next using have and as. As I seen that. Have I seen that? Has she seen that? So like this, using modals also, can, could, will. So these are all yes or no type questions. And next one is yes or no type questions is finished. Now it's a double H form questions. It begins with some specific words like who, which, what, when, where, why, how, whom, how how much, how many, these are all double H words. So double H form questions. Here are examples. Next, coming to the main point, what we are discussing today, that is switching direct speech to indirect speech, that to interrogative sentences. If interrogative sentence is given, how we have to change? What are the rules we have to use to change sentence from direct to reported speech, indirect speech? See, the first point as it is the same point, only difference in 2 or 3. Here, the first point, first rule is identify subject, object, and reporting verb in the reporting speech. Reporting speech means without the quotation. Quotation కాకుండా బయట ఉన్న దాంట్లో ఏమేమి ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి? We have to identify subject, object, and reporting verb. Children, please mute yourself. Mute చేసుకోవాలి. And next, within the quotation.
Papa Baba. Papa. Papa.
మేడం
Yes, madam.
మేడం
Yes, చెప్పండి.
ఒకసారి అందరినీ మ్యూట్ చేసేయండి మేడం.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పాల్సి.
Yes, listen, children. If is there any doubt, you type message in chat box. So here, first we have to identify subject, object, and reporting verb in reporting speech. And in reported speech, we have to identify pronoun, verb, it is in which tense. And next, is there any words related to time and place? The words related to time and place comes under adverb. So these are all first we have to identify what is given in the question. And next, coming to the reporting verb. Already we have discussed reporting verb is a verb is in the reporting speech. So here, if it is given said to or said, it changes to asked because it is a question. Question ni manam adugutam kada. So if because the sentence given within the quotation is a question, so we have to change reporting verb as asked. If it is given say, tell, reporting verb, there is no change in tense in reporting verb. So if it is given in the past tense, we have to write past tense word. If it is given in the present tense, we have to write present tense word. If it is asked say or tell, then ask, we have to write ask. If it is will say, we have to write will ask. If it is given in future tense, we have to write same tense, future tense. It is only in reporting verb, but in reported speech, tense will be changed. See, and next, the third point is remove inverted commas and join reporting speech and reported speech with conjunction. Conjunction means connector, a word which is used to join two words or sentences. Here we have to join reporting speech and reported speech. So there we have to remove comma and inverted commas. In that place we have to use conjunction. But we discussed in interrogative there are two types. First one is yes or no type question. Second one is WH form questions. So for yes or no type question, we have to use if or whether as a conjunction. So for yes or no type question, we have to use if or whether as a conjunction. Yes, in assertive sentence, in the previous class, we have discussed assertive sentence. For that, we have used that as a conjunction, isn't it, children? So for interrogative, that too, for yes or no type question, we have to use if or whether as a conjunction. And next, if it is a WH form question, same question word, we have to use same question word as a conjunction. If it is the question starts with what is the conjunction? If sentence question starts with why is the conjunction? If question starts with how is the conjunction? Same question word will be the conjunction. So these 3 points, is it clear? Next, change in pronoun. This is same for all types of sentences. The first person in reported speech changes according to the subject of the reporting speech. See, children, here I is first person. Here I is first person, so it is changing basing on the, here I is first person change basing on the subject. Here subject is a she. So in when we change to indirect speech, it change basing on the according to the first person subject. So here subject is she. So here it changed as she. And next, children, all of you on your videos. And next, the second person in reported speech, second person in reported speech changes according to the object of the reporting speech. See here, you in the second sentence, you is second person, it changes according to the object in the reporting speech. Here object is her means she, related to she. So here you change to she because it is based, it changed according to object. First person changes according to the subject, second person changes according to the object. If third person is given, no change, it remains unchanged. See in the third sentence, they is given, they is third person, so no change, same as it is we can write. And next, here it is very important which you are doing mistakes. See, if subject pronoun is given, instead of first person we have to use third person subject place pronoun only. If it is object place, we have to write or use object place pronoun only. If it is possessive adjective, in that place we have to write only possessive adjectives. If it is possessive pronoun, we have to write possessive pronoun only. This table is very important. You by heart it and keep it in your mind. And next, coming to the change in tenses. If present tense is given, it changes to past tense. If past tense is given, it changes to past perfect. If past perfect is given, it remains unchanged. It is already, we have already discussed in the previous class. So I am going to the next slide. Okay, children. See, here are the changes in modals. If it is given will change to would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, add to. And changes in adverbs. Adverbs means time or place. If it is given today, today change to that day, yesterday, the day before. Once you read it, up to here we discussed the same in the assertive sentence also. But one more important point here, replace a question mark. After changing all these things, at the end there is a question mark for the question. So after changing that from direct speech to indirect speech, we never use question mark. Instead of question mark, we have to use full stop. That is very important point. Okay, children, now I'm unmuting all. I'm allowing you to unmute. Now you mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have
Okay,
to
madam.
tell the answers. See, children, here already rules are here in the box. See, what is the first rule we have to do?
Identify subject.
Identify. First, we have to identify all the things. What is given in the question. So, yes, first, what is this?
Subject.
Yes, very good. Subject. And next, what is this? Reporting verb. This is reporting verb. Here, object is not given. Yes. Object is not given. And next, see, have you noticed any change in this sentence? Have you noticed any change? See, in the assertive sentence lo starting manki emundi? Subject undi. But here what is in the starting of the sentence? Verb to start aindi. Verb to start. Here the starting sentence verb, start sentence with verb. So here verb are waiting another tense. Which tense it is? Is present continuous tense. Present tense, if present tense is given, it changes to past tense. Present continuous tense is given, so it changes to past continuous tense. And next, they is Which person? First, second, or third?
Third person.
Third person, ma'am.
Third person. Is
Third
there any word related to? And one more. Me. Me is given. Me is which
First
person?
person.
First person. Very
First
good.
person.
Yes, very good.
First, madam.
And next, is there any
Now,
word related
time.
to time and
Time.
place?
Yes, madam. Now.
Now. So
Adverb.
it is adverb. Now, what is the second step? What is the second step?
Changing of or change of
Yes.
relative verb.
Yes. Now start telling the answer. She said reporting verb. Eman marchal reporting verb.
She showed.
She said.
Said, madam.
Madam,
Said unte.
she said.
madam.
Ante madam.
Yes.
She said.
But children
Said.
remember that point is related to assertive sentence only.
Said.
Now we are discussing interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence reporting verb should change as asked. Question కదా ఇక్కడ కొటేషన్ లో ఉన్నది క్వశ్చన్ కదా అందుకని మనం ఇక్కడ ఆస్క్డ్ అని రాయాలి. సో ఆస్క్డ్ సెడ్ చేంజ్ టు ఆస్క్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ is not given. Next point is
That, madam.
removing comma and inverted commas. In that place we have to use conjunction, connector. Here what type of sentence it is? It is interrogative. In that it
Interrogative.
is yes or no type question. Are they waiting for me now? Yes or no? It's a yes or no type question. For yes or no type question, conjunction connector is whether or if. So here we have to write whether or if.
If.
The change. Whether connector rasam. After writing connector, we have what we have to write? Okay, sentence అయిపోయింది. Next sentence start చేయాలంటే sentence దేంతో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది?
Change pronoun.
Yes, pronoun. Yes, very good. Pronoun. That means subject. Here, but listen carefully, children. Here, first ఏముంది? First verb is given. But in the answer, we have to write subject. Pronoun ని రాయాలి. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ pronoun ఏముంది? They ఉంది. So first we have to write that. Next we have to write the verb. ఇక్కడ ఇది చేంజ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వెర్బ్ ఉంది. వెర్బ్ ని చేంజ్ చేసి రాయకూడదు. ఫస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ pronoun రాయాలి. తర్వాతే వెర్బ్ రాయాలి. So here they. Is there any change for they? They ఏమన్నా మార్చాలా?
No, madam. No change, madam.
It is in already third person. Third person లో ఉంటే no change. Next they.
No change.
After they.
Are.
Change of tense.
Are waiting. Are waiting is in present tense. If sentence or question is given in the present tense, it changes to past tense. ఇక్కడ present continuous లో ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి past continuous లో మార్చాలి. are కి past tense ఏంటి? are కి past tense were. So here we have to write were. Were waiting is same. Were waiting for me first person related to subject. ikkada
Subject.
she అని ఇచ్చారు కదా she అంటే మారుతది.
He. me
place లో are రాయాలి. For her. Now change to
Are.
now time. Now change to
Any place.
now then కదా.
Then, madam.
Yes. So this is the answer. And next. Yes, next children. Start. What is the first point we have to do?
Identify.
Identify. Yes, what we have to identify?
What?
Subject.
Is subject.
Subject.
Said to
Said to.
Reporting verb.
Reporting verb.
Reporting verb.
Here
Me.
object is given.
First
Me is
pronoun.
object. And
First
next
person.
have
Me.
bought. This is the verb.
Bought.
Verb is in present perfect. Present perfect. Change to past perfect. And next person. You.
You.
You is
Second person.
You
very
is
good.
second person.
Second person. And next a new comic book today.
Today.
Time is given. So it's
Today
an
is time.
Adverb.
Now
Adverb.
yes. Tell the answer.
Change of RV. Reporting verb change verb.
RV means
Reporting verb.
I start telling
verb.
answer.
He asked to me.
He,
He
yes, very good.
If
He asked
he
me.
asked me
Next.
whether
Yes,
Whether.
whether.
you
Whether
You.
if. We can use if also. If
okay you
you is second person, is there no change? Can we write you as it is?
no
Then
yes madam
can we write you as it is?
last is రాసుకోవచ్చు మేడం రాసుకోవచ్చు మేడం
Why?
No, ma'am.
You change according to second person. You change according to object. Here object is
Me.
ante
Me.
manam. So here subject place me conjugated subject place pronoun I. So
I.
here we have to write I. I. Next change in tense. Have bought change to
bring
have changed to have unte have ki past tense enti?
Had.
Yes, very good.
had bring
Bring kaadu. Add pakkana have as add pakkana always we have to write V3 form. So that is no change. Bought. Bought.
A new comic book.
New.
A new comment.
a new comic book
Comic book. Today change to
Book.
you open your classwork. Today change to
this day
today change to
this day
this day, not that day.
That day.
Yes, next. Yeah. Yes, children.
sir
Subject.
Subject.
Right. Reporting verb.
Reporting verb.
Next person. He. It is in third person. Is there any person? No. Next will participate. Will participate which tense? Will participate is simple future. Future tense. And next, is there any time or place? Yes, next week. Time is given
Next
week.
next week. Now I will show you.
Adverb.
Wait, you are getting confused now. So the change in pronoun third person remains unchanged. And next change in tense. Which tense it is? Future. Simple future. See here simple future. If it is given simple future, కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు simple future will ఇస్తే will change to
Would.
will change to
would
and next see here adverb. What is the adverb used in the question? Question లో ఏం అడిగారు?
The next week.
Next week
next
అనుందా?
day
Next
next
week.
day
Week. But here next year is given. Then what we have to write?
The following year.
Following year.
Following year కాదు కదా, క్వశ్చన్ లో వీక్ అని అడిగినప్పుడు వీక్ రాయాలి. The following
The
year.
following week.
The following year. Question number. Yes. See now here. ఇప్పుడు చేంజెస్ మీరు చూసారు కదా. Now you have to tell correct answer.
He asked.
Yes, she asked.
She asked
He
She
asked
Whether.
asked
Whether.
if,
whether if
if or whether. Next, what
or
we have
whether.
tried? We have tried subject. After writing connector, we have tried subject. Here a subject is he. He is already in third
He.
person, so no change. He,
her.
No change.
He
he will change to
good.
Would.
would
Participate.
Participate
participate
In the
in the
quiz
quiz
competition.
in the
in the
quiz
quiz
In the
competition.
competition. Next week change to
The following
very
The
good.
following week.
Following week.
With the swelling top,
the
madam.
following week.
ఏంటన్నా
With the swelling top, madam.
Okay. Is it okay,
Okay,
now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Shall we
ma'am.
go to the next?
Okay, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
Are you copying in your notebook? Are you copying in your notebook?
Copying, madam.
No, madam.
No. Yes. The first point is identifying. He is subject.
He subject
Next, set it to
Reporting.
set
set
to
it to reporting verb.
reporting verb.
And next,
Is object.
Me first
me
person.
object.
Me. Object.
And next
Object.
person, you. It is in second
You.
person.
Second
Next
person.
do. Do is the
Do.
verb here.
Verb.
Like
Verb is
music.
in present tense. Do verb is in present tense. Like is also verb. Music. It's a object. So there is no any
Object.
adverb. There is no any
ఇది
adverb.
ఎలాగ అయ్యారు చెప్తారా ఇన్న
Change of
అవసరం అయితే
And next, now tell the answer.
He asked.
He asked.
Yes.
He asked.
He asked.
He asked.
Me.
He asked to me.
If,
If.
If
తర్వాత
if there
If me.
you is second person. It changes to according to object. Here object is me. Me ante maname kada
Me.
I. So here
అవును.
Yes, ma'am.
subject
I.
plus pronoun I
I.
after. Here children, one more important point. If it is used do, does, did in question, no need to use. Avi use cheyakodu. We have to remove that when we go for the next verb. ఇక్కడ do, does, did అనేవి యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వాటిని వదిలిపెట్టేసేయాలి. But we have to see which
Remove
tense
చేయాలి.
it is. Do is in present tense. Present tense. If it is present, if present tense is given, it changes to past tense. So past tense దేన్ని మార్చాలి? do ని యూజ్ చేయ అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ వెర్బ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని that we
Like.
have to change to past tense. Here verb is like. Verb
Like.
is like. So like past tense
Like.
for like is like. Very
Like.
good. I liked
like
Music.
music. After that, can we use question mark?
yes, ma'am.
Can we
Yes,
use
ma'am.
question mark after changing direct to indirect? No. Here we have to
Full
use
stop, ma'am.
full stop. It is
Full
very
stop.
important point. Okay.
Full stop, madam.
Yes. Full stop. Do, does, did. If it is given, no need to use. We remove and we have to change. Yes, next. 5 sentences basing on yes or no type, and next 5 sentences basing on WH forms. Start children. Yes.
They cite to me.
Said
Subject.
to reporting verb,
Reporting verb.
and next
Me is
me,
object.
Me.
Me object.
Object.
here did.
Subject.
Did in past tense is given person you. Person you.
You.
Second
Second
Ah,
person.
yes.
Me too,
Second
verb.
person. And next your friend. It you are also second person.
Second
So here
person.
did is given.
Second
Did is in past tense.
it verb.
So we have to consider second verb. Meet. It is in V2 form, past tense. Yes. Tell the answer, children.
Madam, meet ఉంది కదా madam.
Huh?
Meet.
ಏನನ್ನ?
Meet,
Ah,
meet.
yes, meet is a verb here. Yes. They
They asked me
They
they
asked
me
To me.
whether
whether or if.
whether
Next,
if
after writing character, we have to write subject. Subject, what
Me,
is the
I.
subject here? You. You change
If we
according to object. Me ante
I.
So
I.
here,
I.
in the place of you, we have to write I. Next, did. Do, does, did. No need. We have to remove that.
వదిలే మేడం.
Meet. We have to consider meet is the main verb.
Met.
Past tense.
Met.
I met.
Yes, very good.
I met.
Met. Met
I met.
your friend. Here, your in the place of your. I can kada. Your friend
On,
place
madam.
of.
అవును మేడం.
My friend.
Very good.
My friend.
Yes, very good. My friend. Next. After what
Full
we have
stop.
to do? Question mark or full stop?
full
Full
stop.
stop.
Yes, very
Stop,
good.
madam.
Yes,
Full
very
stop,
good.
madam.
Next.
ಏನದು?
Last sentence basing on last question basing on yes or no type. Yes, children.
ಏನದು?
John.
John.
Subject.
Subject.
Yes,
Said
said
to.
reporting.
to,
Reporting verb.
Reporting verb.
reporting verb. R is object. And next I.
Object.
Person.
First
Can.
one.
It's a model.
First person. Can.
Your second person.
Your second person.
Second person.
Second person.
John asked.
John asked me.
John asked.
John asked
John asked her.
If
Her.
if
ఇక్కడ
Her.
I దేంతో place I change
He.
అవుతుంది I first person changes according to subject. Here subject is
No change.
subject ఎవరు subject is
John, madam.
John. John
John,
is boy or girl?
John.
John.
Boy, madam.
Here
He.
we have to write he or she.
Boy.
He, madam.
He. Next can change to
Can or
can could. It's
Can,
not
madam.
could.
COULD.
C-O
ULD.
C-O-U-L-D. Could.
Could.
Next.
Use.
Use. Only
Oh, yeah,
one
yeah.
time we have to change the tense. ఇక్కడ can could గా మార్చాం కాబట్టి use used గా మార్చకూడదు. Use
Your.
your phone. Your means here second person. Second person change according to object. Here object
She, ma'am.
or she. She phone
Her.
She phone.
is correct. It's not correct.
Her
We
phone.
have to write.
Her.
Her phone.
Yes,
Her
very
phone.
good.
Her
Very
phone.
good, children. Her phone.
Her
Her phone. After
Her phone.
full
Her,
stop.
her phone.
Yes, next. Up to now we have discussed yes or no type questions. Now from coming to here, it's a double H form questions. Let me see how to change double H form questions. The same rules. First identifying. Here E is subject.
Subject.
Set
Subject.
to
Reporting verb.
supporting verb.
Reporting verb.
Reporting verb.
Yes, me is
Is
object.
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 Next, what is the question word used here? Question word. And next,
Question word.
are doing.
Where.
Are doing. Verb.
Are doing verb.
Verb.
You.
You second person.
You second person.
Second person. And next,
Now is time.
Now.
Now is time.
Bad
Verb.
verb. Yes. Let me see how to change this to indirect speech.
He asked me.
Said to asked
He
because it's a
asked
question.
me.
He asked
He
me.
asked me.
He asked me.
Next, what is the
if-
conjunction?
If madam.
If
See, children, up to now we used if or whether as a conjunction because inverted the question given within inverted commas is yes or no type question. Here it's a double H form question. Double H
Yes,
form
ma'am.
question given. Same question word we have to use as a connector. Here, what is the question word used?
అలాగే వాళ్ళే.
What is the question word used?
what?
What?
So here connector what?
What?
Conjunction what అవుతుంది?
Yes madam.
What? After writing connector, we have to write subject. Here subject is you.
You.
You is changed according to object.
Object.
Me ante?
I.
Yes,
I.
very
You are.
good. I. Next, are doing in present
ma'am,
continuous tense. దాన్ని మనం దేంట్లోకి మార్చాలి? Past continuous tense లోకి
Past
మార్చాలి.
continuous.
Here are is present. Are ki past tense. Are ki past tense. Are ki past tense कैसे? Are.
Arm.
Yes. Are. ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి. Are
What?
ki past tense verb. But listen carefully. You అనేది మనము ఆల్వేస్ ప్లూరల్ గా యూస్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి యు పక్కన ఆర్ అని రాస్తాము ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సింగిల్ పర్సన్ ఆర్ ప్లూరల్ సి యు ఈజ్ అని గాని యు ఈజ్ అని ఎప్పుడైనా యూస్ చేస్తామా ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేయం యు ఆర్ అంటాం బట్ హియర్ పర్సన్ ఈస్ సింగిల్ సో ఇక్కడ ఐ పక్కన వర్ యూస్ చేయకూడదు బికాజ్ వర్ ఈస్ ప్లూరల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ వర్బ్ సో హియర్ ఐ పక్కన మనం ఏం యూస్ చేయాలంటే వాస్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ వర్బ్ యూస్ చేయాలి was because I is singular. You is always used as plural, so that's why R is given. But here I is singular, so here we have to write was. R ki past tense were aina kuda ikkada subject singular kabatti was ani rayali. Important point. Next, I was doing what I was doing now. Now enga martudi.
Now then.
Next, after completing instead of question mark we have to use full stop. So here connector is same question word. Next we have to write subject. Next verb in the past tense remaining same. Next. Yes, children. David, subject.
David is subject.
Subject. Side
Reporting
two.
verb.
Reporting
Me
verb.
is object.
Me object.
Object.
Here
How
question word.
Question word.
Are is verb.
Question word.
Are you?
Verb.
Verb.
You is
You is second person.
Second person.
Yes.
Second
There is
person.
no object in this question. There is no object. No question. No adverb. Yes.
David asked me.
David
David asked
David asked to me.
Asked
If
to కాదు.
me.
Asked
Me madam.
Asked me.
Next connector.
Asked me.
how
Connector.
If.
How are you?
How.
Yes, very good. Connector same question word. How ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి how. Next. You. You. Second person it is changed according to object.
I.
Me. Yes.
I.
I
How are you?
Me. How. I. R के पास
what
R के past tense verb. R के past tense verb. But here subject is singular. So here we have to write
Was.
was. Very good. Was. David asked me how I was. Instead of question mark, full stop. After changing to indirect. Children, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding.
yes madam.
Yes, very good.
Understood, ma'am.
Next. Yes, children. Subject.
They is subject.
They is
Say to reporting verb.
Me is
Me is
Me is
object.
subject.
Where is the question word?
Where is question mark?
Question word.
Have gone.
Who is second?
Have gone. Verb.
It's a verb. It is in
Verb.
present perfect. Next, you.
Second person.
Second person. Yes, very good.
person. Second person.
They asked me.
They asked me.
Yes, start.
They asked me.
They asked me.
They asked me.
Next.
Where?
Where.
Yes, very good.
Where.
Where?
Where? Where after where
I.
we have to write
Where I.
subject. You.
What?
You change
You.
to
We madam.
Object.
I.
I.
have gone. Have gone change to present perfect to past perfect. Have ke past tense?
Had.
It's very good. Had gone.
Alga ready కూర్చుంటూ అప్పుడు ఇంకా మా దగ్గరలో వస్తుంటాడు 2 క్యాట్లు రెండేమో వేసేది ఉంటాడు
Please mute. Next.
He subject. Said to reporting verb. Her is object.
How is the question
How
word?
How is
Question word.
will you
will help
Help.
Is in the
Where.
simple future.
future
You.
Simple future.
Second
You is second person.
Me.
Me is first person.
he asked her.
He asked her.
Yes.
He asked her.
He asked
Her. Next.
How.
What is the connector?
How?
Yes, very good.
and how
How many?
How?
how
How I.
would
You.
How
You
would
is
How
you.
she.
You is the second person. You is the second
She.
person. You change according to the object. Here object is her. Her ante aame.
She.
Her. So
She.
here. Yes,
She
Nana.
madam.
She. She
She help.
will help. Will change to
Will help.
Would.
would. Will change to would.
Would.
Would
Would
help
Help.
help.
would help
me.
Hey.
Me is first person.
Me.
First person change according to subject. Here subject is he.
Subject. He.
Me plays to he related
అంటే
no,
అప్పుడు
no.
వేయించుకుంటున్న పని వేయటప్పుడు వేయించుకుంటున్నా 2 సంవత్సరాలు కూడా వేయించుకుంటున్నా
ఈ three లో
ఆ పని
which is
పోతున్నా
suitable?
వేయించుకోలేదు అవి అట్లా
He
ఫుల్
is
అవుతున్నాయి
him.
సీన్ బట్టి సీన్ ఆడుతుంది అట్లా
Help
మొన్న
is
నేర్చుకోకపోతే
help is
నన్ను అంటే
yes, very good.
అదే నన్ను
Be.
Next remove question mark, use full stop.
అదే పాలిస్
Full stop.
దెబ్బలు తగులుతున్నాయి కదా ఏడో సర్ది కాలుకాయ అడిగిన
Please
తగిలినప్పుడు
your parent
వేయించుకుంటున్నట
is speaking. Next we
Teacher is
teacher
నేనైతే
here told is given.
Teacher is subject.
Supporting verb.
నన్ను
Next
జాగ్రత్త
are is the
Supporting verb. Her is object.
why is the question
Why
word?
is question word.
did come.
Did
రెండు
come.
తీసుకెళ్ళి
Verb.
Did is used. Did is
Did come.
verb in
Verb.
V2 form. V2 form. Next you. You which
Second
one?
person.
you second
Second
person
person. And next absent is a verb.
అదే ఒకటి ఇరికింది
Sorry,
చేతులకి
children.
Yesterday. Adverb.
చూసి అదే మాది
Time.
Why did you absent
Yesterday.
yesterday?
yesterday
Here yesterday is
Time.
మీ అమ్మ
Adverb.
ఎమ్మ వచ్చేగా
Ranjit,
Yum.
please mute.
అమ్మ
Ranjit
Teacher.
Teacher told change to
Asked.
Asked.
ask
her.
her.
Ask
Why?
her.
Already I told
Why
you, do does did unte use cheyakoodu. Do does did unte వదిలేసేయాలి. So here we have to understand which
Why
tense
did
is used. Did is in past tense. So if past tense is given, we have to
Past tense.
Why she?
did
past tense is given, we have to change to past perfect. Yes, here
I did
before that we have to write pronoun you. You is second person, it is changing according to object. Here object is her.
Object.
Her. She.
She,
She, ma'am.
she. See children, ఇక్కడ come లేదు, by mistake పడింది.
Definitely.
Did ఇచ్చారు. Did, very
Kedi
important
Nagit.
point, very important
Yes, sir.
point. Did is given,
Previous day.
is in past tense. Did is in past tense, but we do does did ni use చేయకూడదు. But there is no another verb. ఇక్కడ వేరే verb ఏమీ లేదు past tense లోకి మార్చడానికి. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి?
Yeah, previous.
Past tense verb use చేయాలి. Was use చేయాలి. Do
Was.
does did use చేయకూడదు. కాబట్టి instead of that we have to use is, am, or was, were. అవి use చేయాలి. So here it is in past tense. Use was. Why she was
Absent.
absent.
The
Yesterday.
previous day.
Yesterday in the
Last day. Last day.
the day before.
Previous day or last day.
The previous day or
The previous day.
Last day.
Before day.
The day before.
Before.
Previous day.
the
The previous day.
Previous.
Very good. Next. Last question.
ಇಲ್ಲ ఇంకా ఆవిడ
See children, I
I
Subject.
subject said to is.
reporting her,
Said to her.
Her is object.
object
and next
This question.
here is
Will-
not
will-
it is not a
will
double
second
question.
person.
It's a yes or no type question.
future simple future
Will, yes, very good. Will have iron.
Simple
Will
future.
have iron. Future perfect tense. Future perfect. And next you is second person.
Second
Next,
person.
You
you
are
is
Your is
second
second
person.
second person
Yes.
no time
No time.
No time.
Start answer. I
I
asked
asked her.
asked her. There is no question word. Here we have to use if or whether.
if
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 after we have write subject. Here subject is you.
If she,
Yes, very good.
she,
Her. It's a
she ma'am.
she,
she.
Object is her.
Will change to
she
she would,
She
will
would.
have iron. Would have iron.
your
Would have
Have.
Have
Have.
iron.
iron.
Ironed.
Not cloth.
ironed,
iron
cloth.
cloth.
You
Her
are
cloth.
related to object.
her
Her cloth.
So she cloth, her cloth. Which is suitable?
Cloth.
Very good. Her clothes.
Her cloth.
Her cloth.
Her clothes.
her clothes
Cloth.
Instead of question mark, we have to use full stop.
Full stop.
Thank you children for listening to the class. I hope you all understood and I hope that you will complete worksheet, forwarded worksheet and you forward in your WhatsApp group. Isn't it?